Donna is a clean woman. As you look for Miss Donna, you know she's a clean woman. You don't have to ask. She have a little weight on and she still never come like she have no weight on. The way she clean and neat. The way the clothes how much she wear, she put herself together. You think say Marcia can walk in Miss Donna shoes? No time. Marcia can't stand up to Miss Donna. One time I said Marcia she shape ill-shaped. I want to see she look like ill-shaped and I want to put on frack and the excitement. She don't look good like Miss Donna. And she could never look good as Miss Donna. That's why she bad mind Miss Donna.
So keep talking on a bag of lies.
Well, come here, man. Don't come here, man.
Spanish
town, big up on yourself. Me people Spanish town, big up on yourself. Hey, tell Marcia Campbell so she have crab loss now. As she a come for me, Marcia Campbell. As she me a talk about. Yes, so tell her. You see that? Why don't the son of Marcia? So I don't know how you boss me. People know me anywhere me there. Any roadside me turn up on, people know me. So I don't know how far you boss me. You see that? See that all the way from Jamaica on vacation, but them still know I walk to you goodie. So me a beg and me this and that. I'm not. But me sell shelter, me alone still in my room. Thank God. You understand me? Thank God I'm alone still in my room. God help me so far. Me get stay away from people. That's what me can. I mind my business. You understand me till me can get to me want. You understand me? There's a guy renting a place. I'm gonna go get the place because two other guy live down there. I want something by myself. And that's why I didn't take it because I don't want a furnished place and two other guy live down there. So I was like, I don't think I'm going to go for that, you know, that's $900 a month and two other men live down there. I don't want the problem with nobody. Can say brother-in-law live down there and another guy live down there and the next guy now ordered it, they can go to Uber. And so I tell them, I don't want a furnished place because my furniture is something to take out the storage. Since it's furnished already, but it's big and it's nice. If I would like it, you know, it's no problem, you know. But I don't want more, I don't want 3 men live down there. I don't want a woman to live down there. But I was like, I don't feel like I can go through that because I like to go in my kitchen and cook what I want, bathroom what I want, and I don't want it with between 2 men. I don't feel comfortable with that. If it's one of them conspiracy, I would if you take me out. And you can't take me out easy, 2 of them. You understand me? Yeah, I have a bathroom, somebody just snuff you out in the bathroom or kitchen. But that's from the whole time how wicked now, people wicked now. And then wait, me I wait to make it sitting by myself. If I go spend $900 on a couple more $100 on that, me get a place. Me must get it. So me not worry, Marcia, you don't worry about me. The townhouse full of roach. Full of roach. You think me could have live in a comfortable house and I go live and have my nice something them? I want me to live over the old house, narcissist house. Tell them how my room is to look at me that paint it by myself. Put him like a bed, I'm like a something clean. My house is clean over there, clean. Make them tell about me. Like Olivette said, I never find nobody could have clean like you. Me clean all the time and wash and normally often. Go laundry and wash my thing. Anybody can tell you that. Me not like dirt. Me live in a place and live in a place, make a place go nice. Me can put on all white carpet because I don't like dirt. All the ceiling and the window, everything I feel clean. I'm allergic to dirt. Me don't like seat. Crawling me. My body run cold. And the baseboard of the ground I feel clean. The baseboard like the edge and the corner this so. Everything I feel clean. Any corner of the house if you have no dirt and no mucky night, it's supposed to clean. And I'm saying that they all lay your head down and germs is a lot in this country here, you know. When a man coming at your place and represent and you see your place and your place, you must feel your own present in everything because everything says you. Your bedroom look like you. Your bathroom look like you. Beautiful as how you look, that's how everything look, just like you. It's a part of you. It's not just a house, it's not just an apartment. It's a big part of who you are. That's why if you come at somebody's yard and their house dirty, you label them as a nasty person. Because when you're a nasty person, you're gonna have them house dirty, right? Am I right? Right? If you come to a woman's house and her house clean and she cook, you will eat. Where I stay is not no dirty, mucky place. People come and clean all day, all night. Right now people do are clean. Right now people is there cleaning. They come morning and then clean and shift for the shift come and them clean and clean. Why do inspector come, inspect the place? Even day before yesterday. The people not cleaning right, they lose their job. Most of the people come, you know. We not living in a doodle place, a dirty place, so I say dirt and muck. No. You're wrong about that. Because I behave myself. I don't go and cuss out the people and some of it transform it to some dirty place. I behave myself. When I like something, I go cuss and carry on about it and make a big deal of somebody, because guess what? Then they move to a bad place. Since you want to be a badass, they move it to a badass shelter. But you have to live with a whole lot more bunch of people who are rough and things to them bad. Like a prison place. It's not a prison, you know. She talk about timer, and for your timer, you have to time. I don't have no time for when I done bed. I bed when I want to bed. And how long I want to bed. I want to bed for an hour, I bed for an hour. There's bathrooms on every floor. 2 bathrooms on every single floor. And it's 5 floors. Okay? If you want to know. So woman like you can't clean. You're not showing nothing about you as a woman. You understand? Mr. Donna make also people, help people clean up her place nice, clean, she angle everything clean, she bake. Clean woman. You think anybody gonna have cake from Marcia full up a roach egg? Have the nerves to get mad from people and say, oh, our audience and I want to claim to be her friend. Couldn't tell us that she have roach on the drinks box. Hey. She get mad because the people couldn't tell her I saw the roach there. They was just seeing the roach there. And they didn't tell her, and she get mad like why they never tell her. Yes, I talk about Valentine's gone. And how Valentine's gone. And how we never have no man. And she have man. And how, like say, well, you know how we manage without no man. God and Marcia, you know no man like that. Any man you have now, if you do have one income there, you're not going to last long when you do the back bus. Big old breast for the woman have the like a hamper. Let me buy good breast and put on hang long for your guts. So I'm nice when people's nice with me. But Marcia, you're ranking meat. Your blood clot. Marcia, I love you. Bad mind fucker, you. You bad man, little dirty ass, you. Come for me now. Come for now, body nose. Say body nose.
Body nose.
Body nose. I love you too. I'm gonna say white girl say body nose. Come on, let me show you this guy here. Now for sure, I'm so sorry. I love you guys all over the world. Seeing him right now. Looking body, your body look good now. And that's your wife, right? No, stop. And that's your wife.
Oh, that's my girlfriend.
God bless you both. I love you guys. You're looking good. And guess what? Keep close, man. You look good. You look good too. And he's a gentleman, right? And let him put that body in that hole, right? I'll see you later. All right then. Yes, darling. Auntie and boy look good here. Look at Marcia. Her draws them bad color. They rat them and them out her dry scratches. They rat them and them out her dry scratches. They push them faint. They push them faint all the while when they smell the draws. You know, push like to smell something. And when they push them smell something. You know they push them to their nose when they smell something, no? That's why I push them when they smell Marcia draws. That's why they push them when they smell Marcia draws. Hey, Lord God, come like on the hear what me I say. God bless you. And I know what I'm telling you is gonna help you. So at least I'm helping you. You know what I mean? Yeah, but leave Miss Donna blood clot alone. Leave Miss Donna. You talk about Miss Donna irritate my blood clot spirit. When I told Miss Donna irritate my blood clot spirit. So just leave Miss Donna alone. If you don't leave Miss Donna alone, I'm gonna come back for you this time. And this time it's not gonna be like this time. It's gonna be another time and another time, okay? Don't do it, please. Pray to God, read your Bible and stop being bad mind. Stop being bad mind because you can't see your front. The two big old, don't think you can suck your own breast. You can suck your own breast, darling. You're long enough to chew over your blood clot show that woman of Africa. Feed them baby from the back. Nobody come for me, come and talk about my wig, darling. Don't even fucking try it. Yes, people are coming from all over the world and tell me I need to answer, so I come and answer. But I do it respectfully, you know. I do it very respectfully. I didn't come out here and carry on nasty. I just do it respectfully. Bapo, I want to know why you thief my mother $50,000. Bapo, you're a dirty drunko. You know what I'm telling my mother, no matter what I love my mother. I mean, she got back to the hospital sick, but I know she's going to pass. And the last time she tell me to take up the $50,000. And you thief 2 man blood clot $50,000 in a blood clot papers, you're a flatbush. But we find your blood clot. Give back man $50,000. I must have my woman go back in the hospital now. Eh? Give back the woman $50,000. I know why she can't trust you with it if I wouldn't take $1 out of it. And that's a part of why I'm out here now. Because she tell Jason a lot of shit and this and that I'm making do him do. She was a part of it. Better me get the $50,000 because I could have used that for myself.